Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the tail light bulb on this Peugeot 3008. This particular model is 2010, and the way we will change it is we'll have to remove the whole light off the car. There isn't any uh, slot or the window at the back here where we can get to it from the quarter casing. So this is the bulb which is blown. It's a double filament bulb. Brake light works, but the actual tail light doesn't work. Okay, so just gonna crack on with it. Right, so the way we're gonna get to the nuts or the bolts to remove this light is to take off this trim here. So just gonna do that now, and then there's a clip here. There we go. So that's the trim part out of the way. So now we can get access to the nuts here, that one there, and then at the one at the bottom, they both are 10mm nuts. That's what we're going to undo, and that's going to allow the light to come off. There we go, that's the top nut out of the way. I'm just going to do the bottom one now. Perfect. That's the bottom nut out of the way. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to just try wiggling it out. So just wiggle the light. There we go. That's how it pulls out. So the next what we're going to do is we're going to remove the harness connector. Just going to press it down and pull out. The actual circuit board is secured by a couple of clips. There we go. So that's one side of the clips out of the way. We're just going to do this side now. So there we go. And it's just this clip here which we need to undo. There we go friends, that's the whole circuit board out of the way. So you got brake light and the tail light twin filament bulb. Okay, so just gonna push it down and then twist it anti-clockwise to remove it. Right, here we go. We've got a collection of bulbs here, so we're gonna pick up the double filament bulb from here. This is the double filament bulb we're gonna use. So the way it goes in is you got to get it right into the groove. So that's how it's gonna go in. So just gonna push it in and then twist it clockwise. And that's how it gets secured. Before we secure the light, we're gonna connect the harness back in, and then we're gonna test it whether the new one is working fine or there is some other issue with the wiring. There we go. Just gonna, yeah, it's working fine. And then can we turn the lights on please? There we go, all working fine. So just gonna assemble the light back onto the car. Just gonna place it in and then gonna push it to secure it. There we go friends, this side. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna connect the harness back in. There we go, that's nicely secured. Just gonna line up these pins, one here and one there, in here to the body. There we go, hear the click. Two nuts, one here, nice and tight. There we go friends. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put this trim back, and this is how it goes in. That's nicely in place. There we go, friends. Job done. Nice and easy. Thank you very much for watching the video.